In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the table tool, place it on your board, and customize it so it fits your workflow. Whether you're planning projects, organizing ideas, or tracking tasks. First, log into your Miro account and open the board where you want the table to live. Any board will do, personal, team, or a shared project. Give yourself a little space to work by zooming out or panning to a clear area. This makes it easier to see the table as soon as it's added. On the left-hand creation toolbar, click the plus icon labeled Tools, Media and Integrations. This is where Miro keeps a lot of powerful widgets beyond the basic shapes and sticky notes. If your toolbar is collapsed, hover over it to expand, or scroll within the panel if you don't see everything at first. In the panel that opens, use the search bar and type Table. As soon as you see the Table option, select it. Searching is the quickest way to get there, especially if you have a lot of integrations installed. Once selected, your cursor will switch to placement mode, and you're ready to drop the table onto your board. Click anywhere on the board to place the table widget. Don't worry about getting the exact position on the first try. You can drag it to reposition later. Use the corner handles to resize the entire table, and the dividers between columns and rows to adjust individual cell widths and heights. Double-click in a cell to start typing and press Tab to move to the next cell or Enter to go down a row. If you misplace it or change your mind, Ctrl or CMD plus Z will undo the placement. Now let's customize. Use the toolbar that appears above the table to add or remove rows and columns, change colors, and adjust formatting so your information is clear. Right-clicking on the table or a specific row or column gives you the same options, which can be faster if you're already working inside the table. You can also switch the table into different views, like Timeline or Kanban. Timeline is great for visualizing tasks across dates, while Kanban helps you track items as they move through stages. Try switching views to see which suits your process. You can always switch back without losing your content. That's all you need to insert and configure a table in Miro. Place it, resize it, fill it with content, and tailor the layout or view to match your workflow. If this was helpful, take a moment to practice on a sample board so these steps become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.